Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ClickBank Marketplace account for affiliate sales, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your ClickBank Marketplace account for affiliate sales, start by visiting the ClickBank website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred account type, which should be affiliate for promoting products. Carefully read and accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Join ClickBank button to submit your registration. Once you submit your information, check your email for a verification link from ClickBank. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the ClickBank homepage and click on Login. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. Next, navigate to the Marketplace tab on the top menu. In the Marketplace, you'll see various product categories. Explore different categories to find products that align with your niche. Once you identify a product, click on the Promote button next to it. A pop-up window will appear. Input your ClickBank account nickname. Generate your unique affiliate link by clicking the Create button. Copy your affiliate link for future use. To start driving traffic, consider creating engaging content around the products you selected. Share your affiliate link on social media, blogs, or other platforms. Monitor your ClickBank account regularly to track your sales and commissions. Always comply with ClickBank's promotional guidelines while marketing products. If you encounter any issues, visit the ClickBank Help Center for assistance. Following these steps will activate your ClickBank Marketplace account for affiliate sales effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.